This is the Fretta Edge Max. It's a juicer, and this is what the box looks like. And I'll show you what comes inside the box. And this is everything that comes inside the box. You have a little cleaning brush. This is the little pusher that you can actually slide down the actual throat of this device here, which snaps onto the end of this. We've got two little jugs, one for the pulp, one for the juice. The unit itself is quite heavy, which is good. I'll pick it up and we'll have a bit of a look at it. This is what it looks like from around all the different sides. So put that back down. This is the juice extractor itself, again quite robust. On the bottom you have this little lever which you swing to the side that allows the juice to come out. To clean it, you just simply rotate that and that pulls out, and then you can actually get inside and pull out all the components that need cleaning. I suppose I should show you how to put this thing on first. So you just simply pop it in. It goes into the front, goes to, you can hear it snap. On the side here there's a little button. You've got to press that to release it. Otherwise this unit won't come apart. So nice little safety feature in there. And this is everything disassembled, and it's quite easy to put together. I've cleaned everything. I've got to get that in the right spot. Makes a difference. Where are we? That's, oops, no, that's got to go. That's it. And then we just simply pop that into here. Where are we? In it goes. And that's it. So what we've got to do next is pop a few oranges through here. So I've got some oranges peeled. You've got two settings on here. One is a soft, one is hard. Well, obviously oranges are soft, so we'll start it up. And we'll drop the orange in, drop another one in, and there we go. Now I've already got the valve open on the bottom, so it's dropping into the juice catcher, and you can see the other end there, the pulp is extracting. Definitely can't get any harder than this. Now if you look, this particular orange is having a little bit of trouble getting started, so this is where we use the pusher. So we'll line that up, give it a shove. And get it started. Oops. And it's certainly made short work of that. Quite happy so far. We'll let it run for a few more seconds. Now, if for some reason you've got the pulp extractor is not working properly, it's sort of jamming up, what you do, you simply press the stop, and you've got a reverse in here. So you press the reverse and it winds it the other way, so it releases the pulp. So pretty well thought out. Can't complain about the amount of juice I got out of it. I'm quite happy with that. So to stop it leaking, you just simply close that over, and we've got the juice. And that looks pretty good to me. Funny enough, it tastes like real orange. Now the pulp is very, very dry, so it's definitely had all the juice extracted from it. I'm going to clean the machine up and we'll see how easy it is to do. So let's open everything up. And that definitely looks nice and easy to clean. We'll just put a bit of water through there for the moment. Get a brush into it in a second. Just went and picked up the brush, so we'll get in, give it a bit of a clean out. And that rinses out quite nice. Whoops, I'm knocking the camera around. Yeah, this is very, very easy to clean. And that's it. It was extremely fast to clean, so yeah, quite happy with the ease of pulling this thing apart and cleaning it.